Hey guys, in this episode, I'm going to show you how to create an entourage of people that follow you around wherever you go. And it's going to be really easy to do. So it's only going to take a few minutes, guys. Stay tuned. It's going to be fun. All right, guys, fun episode here. We're going to create an entourage of people to follow us. Okay, and we're going to make it look kind of cool too. So this is a lot easier than what you would think. But what we're going to do is we're going to have our player here, and he's just going to be like walking around, and they're just going to follow us. Okay, and they're just going to be like our friends, I guess. But anyway, all right, to do this really simple, we're going to do this the easiest way. Go to your content, your third person, and your blueprints, and just take your BP third person character and duplicate it. And we'll just name this friend BP underscore friend, and then we'll do two of them and have them both do something kind of different. Okay, so duplicate it, and then we'll do like BP underscore friend too. All right, and go ahead and open up friend, and to make this a little bit more fun, let's make one of them a boy and one of them a girl. So we've got Quinn here, so we'll change Quinn simple to Manny simple. All right, so now we got Manny simple, and then the other one we'll leave it as Quinn. All right, so all we got to do here is come over here to the event graph, and just first you need to do is right click and search for event, if I can spell, event begin play. All right, and now we want to create a custom event below that, and this will be follow player. Okay, and from on the event begin play, so we don't forget, let's go ahead and let's call this follow player function. All right, or not function, custom event. All right, and follow player, what we need to do is just pull out and search for a move to, and then for pawn, just self, and then for the target actor, we want it to be the player character. Okay, and then the acceptance radiance, this is important, or though he'll be walking all over us. We'll put for the guy, we'll put like 400. And what we want to do here on success, we want to delay for, we'll say 1 second, and then after that, just call this custom event again, which is follow player, and that'll be the loop. And then on fail, let's just go straight to follow player. All right, now take this logic right here, and we're just going to grab all of this here and Control C to copy. Now compile and save this here, and remember this, we're doing 1 second here. All right, and let's go to our friend number 2 here, and right here, same exact thing. We're just gonna click a spot here, Control V to paste, and just do nothing right now. And then when you compile, it's gonna say it's no longer there. So just delete this, and then you should be able to just call follow player again from here. And it might make us change the name. No, it's fine. It worked just fine. All right. And same thing here, event begin play. And just call this follow player. All right, now this one is our girl, Quinn. So let's get our girl to stay a little bit closer to us and have our guy a little bit further away. Okay, so on here, On the acceptance radius, let's do like 300 for the girl. And then as far as the delay goes, let's do like, we'll do 1.5. Just so it doesn't look like they're moving and doing everything at the exact same time. So let me show you how this works. All right, so in order to make this work, and in order for them to actually be able to move, we're going to have to add a nav mesh into the world. So go up here and do your quickly add to project, hit the plus sign, go down to volumes, and then get this nav mesh bounds volume here, and then just go to your details panel, lock the scale, and we're going to put this at like 20. So now this nav mesh covers the whole level. And if we press P, you'll see these are all the areas that they'll be able to walk. All right, so now just come back down here and let's drag our friends in. So let's put our friend 1, let's put him like here, and then let's take our friend 2, and then let's put them over here. And from this point, just press play, and you'll see, and they're coming to us. All right, now if we go to walk away, you see that they'll do their delay and then they'll come. And as you can see, they're stopping at different distances. And we could even make our other friend come a little bit closer. Our girlfriend, yes. Make our girl come closer. Let's do like 200 for her, and then we can just keep the delay to 1. It won't be bad. I thought it would look worse, but it didn't. I didn't test this, so. All right, so let me open this. All right, so they come up here, and yeah, that's really close. Okay. All right, so if I run over here, they're gonna run over here to my location. She's gonna come closer, and they're just gonna follow me wherever I go. Pretty cool, huh? And that's about it, guys. That's how you can create an entourage of people to follow you. And you can adjust this however, I know there's some games, to where you'll have like somebody following you throughout the game and you're like the main character. But yeah, that's how you do it. Simple as that. And as you can see, they're not walking together. They have their delays. They hit their delays, and they come to us, they stop, and they wait. If I go a little bit further away here, she comes because I'm just outside of that radius. And if I come over here, then he's going to come. But if I stay in his radius, you see that? That's really cool. And but yeah, that's it. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Really appreciate it. If you want these exact project files so you can follow along, or you just want to quickly be able to add this to your project, you can get all that on Patreon. It's just $5 a month. Plus it helps support the channel. But yeah, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.